A dynamite blast took place at Shivamogga in Karnataka at 10:20 p.m. on Thursday, killing 8 workers. Chief Minister B.S. Yediyurappa has now ordered a high-level inquiry into the matter. On Friday morning, the team of police and officers rushed to the scene in the village of Hunasodu. The entire area is now sealed. According to the police, explosives, that is gelatin sticks, were being taken to break the stones when the blast occurred near Abbalgere village in Shivamogga. The blast was so huge that its noise was heard as far as Chikmagalur, the nearest district of Shivamogga, and earthquake-like tremors were felt in the surrounding areas. Some claim that 50 dynamite blasts occurred one after another. The explosion was so loud that the glass windows of the nearby houses were completely shattered. People felt that there was an earthquake and so they came out of the house in panic. The smell of explosives was also lingering in the air up to 10 to 8 kilometers. Shivamogga is the home district of Karnataka Chief Minister B.S. Yediyurappa. Calling for an in-depth investigation into the tragic accident, Congress leader Rahul Gandhi said that the news of blast at stone mining quarry in Karnataka is tragic. Condolences to the families of the victim, Gandhi tweeted. Such incidents call for in-depth investigation so that similar tragedies can be avoided in the future, the former Congress chief said. Meanwhile, Prime Minister Narendra Modi also sent out a condolence message. In a series of tweets, Karnataka Minister for Mines and Geology Murugesh Rudrappa Nirani also revealed that among the 15 killed in the blast were labourers from Bihar. Petrol prices in Delhi has touched its record high, reaching Rs 85.45 per litre on the morning of January 22nd after petrol and diesel prices were hiked almost 25 paise per litre by oil companies. The cost of petrol per litre in Mumbai is also at its record high of 92.04 rupees. The prices yesterday were Rs 85.20 per litre of petrol in Delhi. Diesel, on the other hand, it's retailing at Rs 75.63 rupees per litre, 25 paisa more than the previous price. Farmers protesting against the 3 agricultural reform laws have rejected the government's proposal to stay the implementation of the 3 legislation for 1.5 years and have reiterated their demand for a full repeal of the 3 laws. The Sanyukta Kisan Morcha, an umbrella body of unions leading the protest at several Delhi border points, also said the tractor protest on Republic Day would go on as planned. A statement released by the Morcha said, in a full general body meeting of the Sanyukta Kisan Morcha today, the proposal put forth by the government yesterday, that is on Wednesday, was rejected. A full repeal of 3 Central Farm Acts and enacting legislation for remunerative MSP for all the farmers were reiterated as the pending demands of the movement. Travelers to the US will be required to quarantine on arrival, while masks will be mandated on many domestic trains, planes and buses, President Joe Biden said on Thursday as he signed a raft of new executive orders to curb the COVID-19 pandemic in the United States. The new leader of the world's hardest-hit country has made fighting the coronavirus one of his top priorities, describing the endeavor as a wartime undertaking as he spoke to reporters from the Oval Office. Hello everyone. HW News English is 2 years old now. When we started this venture, we promised ourselves one thing, that news should remain free, because right to know is the right of every Indian. But to keep news free for everyone, we need support from some of you. And thus we have rolled out membership on our YouTube channel HW News English. But mind you, the membership is completely voluntary. The programs that we were doing earlier, that we are doing now, will continue to remain free. First level is a basic level. Here, you can be our supporter by paying Rs 199 per month. This membership gives you certain perks and benefits. The perks include unique badges in front of your name, a live show from Mr. Sujit Nair and from Mr. Akhilesh Bhargava per month for our members. You can also vote in some exclusive members-only polls. Now the second level is Super Supporter. Here you can be our Super Supporter by paying Rs 3,999 per month. This membership will include every perk that comes with basic level. Additionally, our super supporters can be a part of a WhatsApp group where we can have discussions and suggestions on various topics. The second perk includes a gift pack with our merchandise. And the third perk is a Google Meet with Mr. Sujit Nair, where you can join the meet and ask your questions to Mr. Nair face to face. Lastly, if you like, we would give a shout out to our super supporters in our programs. So, hope to see you soon with our badges.